Okay, YouTube, I'm back with the rest of the tutorial on how to make a Butterfinger cheesecake. Right now, I'm chopping up the Butterfingers. And as I showed you in the first video, I had the little 12 pack that I brought from Walmart. So let's go back to chopping these up. Just find you a nice little area to use. And a good knife and start chopping. Now, I really don't have any good knives, but we make do. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Let me try it this way. May not be able to see it that way. Let's try it that way. Hopefully you can see that. No. Having trouble here. The kickstand broke on the phone, so looks like you can see me doing this. Put it right here. So we're just gonna, I'm chopping with the back of the knife because that's easier. All right. Get those chopped up very nice and fine. It will become sticky. And you can go back over a few if you want. But I like to taste the big pieces of the pie, so it don't matter. The fiance don't complain about it because he like it. Last one. All right. Make sure we got them all. So now I'm gonna fold all these inside of my cream cheese bowl, and I'm gonna leave a few to put on top. Maybe I should have got 2 packs of these because this look like this can all go in the bowl. But it's up to you if you like a lot in there like me. So since my hand mixer stopped working, I had to mix this by hand and it became very creamy. And I can back up a step because when I first started, I told you the things you needed, which was the heavy whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of sugar, but that's not sugar in there anymore. And then instead of using 2 eggs, I'm only gonna use 1 egg, only because I'm making a smaller portion. And I also said you would need 2 boxes of cream cheese of your choice. Sometimes this I use Great Value, or you could use the Philadelphia. It doesn't matter. So let's start putting in the Butterfingers. And also, if you really want a nice sweet taste, you can put in a little bit, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It makes it, I don't know, it just makes it look nicer, prettier. And see that the rest of that we're going to use to put on top. So let's start mixing this. I'm gonna leave this camera right here. Maybe if I take this off of here. Sorry, my hand's all in the way. Okay, I'm gonna start folding this in here. I'm not gonna mix it. I don't know if you all can see me folding this in, but I hold it like this. This is what I mean by fold. There we have it. All nicely even. Now we're going to put this in the crust. Give me a moment. Okay, I had to get my hands cleaned up here. I got my pie crust. Just take that off and remove this out of the way. It's like kind of blinding me here. Maybe this can hold it up. You ready to eat? Okay, give me a second. Let me put this in the oven and then I will fix your food. Okay? Now get from the refrigerator, please. Okay. So we're just gonna spoon this in there. Hot, yes, it's hot. And you want to put your Butterfingers on top when it comes out. Or you can put it, I don't know, you can put it in beforehand or after. I'm going to choose to put mine on top when it comes out. So make sure you get all you can get out of that. Okay. I can hold the phone now. Just spread this everywhere. You want to put this in your oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then after I let it baked, I'm gonna take it out, let it cool down, then I'm gonna put it in a refrigerator and let it stand there overnight. If you want to make it faster, then put it in your freezer for an hour. And see, I have a deep dish. So if I wanted to, I could have, see how deep that is? I could have had another one, but I just wanted to use 2 this time. Last time I had 4 and it was leftover cheesecake. I made little cheesecake cups out of them. Make sure I push down in there in the middle because I don't want all of it to be only in the middle. All right. Oven time. Back up. It's hot. I'm going to set my timer. I'm only going to do it for 30 minutes. Or 35. All right. And that's it. And we'll come back to you when it's all ready.